Welcome friends, this video is brought to you by MatMock.in. It's simple, point click learn. Today's topic is data structure, single linked list. In this topic, we will see how to write a C program of single linked list. Objective of this video is to revise what is linked list, types of linked list. After that, single linked list representation in C language. Single linked list representation in C language. Pointer refresher in this. After that, a C program to create a simple linked list with 3 nodes. Then we will see how to display the linked list, that is linked list traversal. The diagram which you are seeing on your screen is of single linked list. First we will see the definition of a linked list. Linked list is a linear collection of data elements called nodes. Linked list is a linear collection of data elements called nodes, each pointing to the next node by means of pointers. Linked list overcomes the drawback of an array. In linked list, number of elements need not be predetermined. More memory can be allocated and released during processing. Insertion and deletions are easier to make. Types of linked list. There are 3 types of linked list: single linked list, double linked list, circular linked list. There are 3 types of linked list: single linked list, double linked list, and circular linked list. Single linked list representation in C language is linked list can be represented using a structure where the 2 parts are data part and second part is a next pointer. Single linked list can be represented in a C language with the help of a structure where the 2 parts are data part and next pointer. The data part will store the data and the next pointer will store the address of the next node. The next pointer will store the address of the next node. Before that, we will see some revision of pointer. In pointer, we have know that pointer stores the address of another variable. We require to know what is pointer assignment. Whenever we are assigning a pointer to some other pointer, then it will not copy the memory. What it will do is that it will make the 2 pointers to point to the same location. What it means is that the P pointer here will point to the memory location to which Q was pointing. P will point to the memory location to which Q was pointing. So this is what the meaning of pointer assignment. Then we will see malloc function. Malloc function is used to allocate memories. The opposite of the malloc function is free. Free function will do exactly opposite of malloc function. What it will do? It will remove or it will delete the memory which is allocated by malloc function. Malloc function will allocate the memory and free will delete the memory. Now we will see a C program to create a simple linked list with 3 nodes. Now we will see a C program to create a simple linked list with 3 nodes. We have seen earlier that to represent a single linked list, we require to create nodes. And a node is created by using a structure, The name of the structure will be node. It will contain two parts. The first part is data part, and the next part is, and another part is next pointer, of type struct node. In the main function, we will declare three variables. Head, second and third. Each will be initially pointing to null. After that, we will allocate some memory. To each of the variable head, second and third. And how to allocate the memory that we know by using malloc function. You can allocate the memory. After allocating the memory, you will put the data inside the data part. How to put the data inside the data part? Head arrow data is equal to 1, second arrow data is equal to 2, and third arrow data is equal to 3. These are the 3 lines which will allocate the data in each of the node. Then we have to set the pointers properly. The pointer is a next pointer. We have to set the pointers properly. The first node pointer is pointing to second node. So here we write head of next is equal to second. This is your second node. This is your head node. The head of next, this part is pointing to second node, and second of next will be pointing to third node. Hence we write second of next is equal to third. The third node next part will not point to any node because there are total 3 nodes. Hence the third node's next part will point to null. Hence we have created a C program to create a simple linked list with 3 nodes. In linked list traversal, what we will do is that we will try and traverse the node. All the 3 nodes which we have created earlier by using a function print list. So after creating the node, we will call the function print list. And pass the head pointer to the function print list. Inside the print list, the head pointer will be stored in n pointer, and now the n pointer will point to which the head was pointing. Now the n pointer will point to the node to which head was pointing. So using a simple while loop, we will traverse the entire linked list. So here I will draw the entire linked list having 3 nodes. This is second node, and this is your third node. Third node contains null, and now to this first node n is pointing. First we will check where n is not equal to null. And We know that n is pointing to the first node, n is pointing to the first node, hence it is not null, so we will come inside the while loop and print the data, Now n will point to the next node. For this we will write n is equal to n of next. Now n will point to the next node, and as n is pointing to the next node, it is not containing null, and again this while loop will continue. It will print the data whatever is stored in this part, and it will again travel to the next node and print the data, and now n will become null. As and when the n becomes null, the while loop will stop, and the function ends, Hence we have traversed from first node to the last node. Keep watching and you will learn more about data structures. If you have any questions, please ask. Thank you. Keep visiting MatMock.in. It's simple, point, click, learn.